Hey everybody, what's up? It is Patrick from Magnetic Nerds, and today I'm going to dive into a genre of fandom that I don't really have a whole lot of experience for. I think the best way to kick this whole thing off is just with a little bit of a confession. I may or may not be slightly addicted to Transformers. See? No problem at all. I mean, I'm a complete rookie when it comes to Transformers. And that said, today, I'm making the Autobot Matrix of Leadership.
At this point, at this stage in the game, I think it's safe to say we all know how I kicked this project off. But, for the sake of continuity, let's do this one more time. I found a file, sent it to my printer, and in the end, I have a pile of plastic parts. The next stage of this build, well, it's also the same as all my other 3D printed projects, so I'm not going to bore you with all those crazy details. Instead, enjoy this masterpiece of a montage. And we're going pretty hard with this one, so buckle up. With all the priming and sanding out of the way, I had a little bit of assembly to do on the main body of the Matrix, and now I had the project separated into 3 major sections for painting. The first section is all the little greeblies, and those got the graphite treatment. The next section was the main body, and that was orange, so I painted it orange. Oh, and I almost forgot. A couple of the greeblies were red, so, like the body, I painted them the color that they needed to be, which was red. One last tiny little bit of assembly I needed to do was all those little greeblies needed to get mounted in their respective spots around the body of the Matrix. Now it is time for my favorite part of every project, weathering. I just can't say it enough. I just love weathering. Cause, in my opinion, this is where your project gets its soul, where you can ingrain a little bit of yourself into your build. Originally, I was going to go with an 80s cel-shaded look, but as I started playing around with my various weathering mediums, I had more of an IDW, more of a realistic look. And personally, I really enjoy just how this phase of the project turned out. I reached for a range of pigments, oil brushes, and washes to help weather this project. Now, there may be some diehards out there that will question my decision to muck up the Matrix. And well, my response is, the Matrix is in the chest of a robot from space. It's going to be dirty. Finally, the crystal, which really wasn't painted at all. I used a translucent blue PLA, and then to help cover up some of the layer lines and imperfections, I used a clear blue UV resin, which also helped give it a nice glossy finish, so it looks more crystalline in the end. The final piece to the Matrix of Leadership puzzle was the electronics. A NeoPixel ring and an Arduino trinket will give the Matrix its iconic glowing core.
I am super happy how this turned out. I am shocked it actually took me as long as it did to actually make my own matrix of leadership. I mean, as you saw from the video clips at the beginning of this video, I am a Transformer junkie. I'm addicted to the plastic crack, and I have no plans to stop at all. So let's have a look at the final 60 shots. If you guys like this video, I feel like I'm getting a little redundant, but like, subscribe, hit the little bell. That helps us so much in fighting the almighty algorithm gods. With that all said, see you guys in the next video. As you can see around me, and from the clips, the and then words are hard. I'm completely shooting off the hip. So it's gonna circle around for a little bit. Good thing we have a thing called video editing, and you won't see this rant at all.